Hello guys, how are you all? I hope so that you'll be fine. First of all, I'll write sorry, sorry, just because of uh, I couldn't place my voice in my last video. So now let's talk about it. First of all, we'll talk about thumbnail. That what we are going to share with you. So we are going to share with you that how you will get best online earning app, ways to earn real money through Binance in polkadot and BLC. And so let's start our video. So we are here to introduce you one of the best app, which is called Binance. So here you can sign up with your Gmail or with your Facebook and with your phone number. So now there are different exchanges, like, so now let's talk about some exchanges. So these are exchanges. So now we are not going to share or to discuss about exchanges and blah 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 blah. So we are here to tell you that how you can do. If you go to I'm gonna share you the main portfolio and how we can do. So these are new listenings, so there's a great chance to earn much money in a great listening. So in my last video I showed you APT Aptos. So now let's talk about Opinion. So I'm not gonna share much things about this new listening, so I'm just sharing that you can earn a lot of money by making trade in this new listening, because when a newbie comes in market, so people invest there. So now if you talk about top gainers, so here are some top gainers, and here we go. HFT is new listening and it is earning as much. So as we talk about APT or the real name Aptos, so that is also earning. So I'm just gonna share with you the benefit of ADA, what you can call it. So ADA. So we are going to talk about ADA. So this is ADA. The current price is $0.37, and you can buy ADA. Coinbase, Binance has the lowest transaction fees. So this is the benefit of Binance, which is sharing it. So trading crypto, so you can trade over here Shiba Inu and Polygon. So I'm going to my point that why I'm making this video. So you can earn most healthy earning by using my opinion. So if you are going to listen me or you are going to trust me, so you can learn more of things. So now let's talk about some biodata about optimism. So now let's see when it was launched. It was launched in May, end of the May 2022, and it was started from $1, and then now its price is $2.23. Now let's talk about 1 day chart. So here you can see that it is going to make its hype. So now let's talk about ADA, the main my focus and my favorite coin, where I invest and get benefits, a lot of benefits. If you talk if you can see the main chart, so now it's not as much hype, but still it is working. This is too much old coin, so you can trust in it because it is here in a market from 2014 it is working. So now we are going to share you that how you can earn from ADA. So now let's search some categories. Now let's search some candles and charts. So if you follow this blue line, so it means that where is its hype and how much its market cap. So now let's talk about some candles and candles. So our main focus must be on candles. In my last video I see that someone was talking about you must invest in blah 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 blah, and I'm gonna show you here. If you see my channel, I'm just opening my channel. My channel, this is YouTube Studio. Now let's talk about comments. So if you see the comments, and I'm going to share you from there, from my now let's talk about YouTube, and then let's go to YouTube my channel, and after that I'm gonna show you. I'm going to my channel, and here is my latest video with no voice, but I'm sorry. So now let's see. I'm just gonna show you that how people are telling you that do this and do that. So if you see that unwise make a profit. So people are advising Mr. Sophia has the static trader that manage my account. She'll really be professional, and he is giving him the telegram and much more. So I'll say you that don't trust on these things. If someone is having much information, so why he is not teaching you like us, that like we aware you from most of things, that how you can do better, or how you can get loss, or how you can get benefits. So you must learn about this if you want to make your money safe and sound. So now let's talk about some candlestick pattern. So ADA by USDT. So now if you talk about this week, so on 8th January its rate was hype at 0.3439. So I'm just why I'm sharing with you the ADA. What's the benefit? This is not any type of paid content. This is free content. I'm not just getting paid to advertisement. I'm just going to share you that how you can make your money boost, how you can make your money good, how you can earn more money. If you're having $1, so you can make 2 point something, you can get 2 point something ADA coins if you buy at this price, like 2 3.2, or if you buy it just imagine, or if you got a chance to buy on minimum price. So the main procedure of the earning is called like when you are newbie, or you are expert. So when you see the market, so now let's go to market. I'm gonna show you. I'm here at market. So you must go there, and let's see that which coins are getting down, are getting losing their value. So if you invest in losing, if you invest in coins that are losing their values, not as values, losing their like that Shiba, I'm not just referring you to buy this. I'll just refer you to buy Litecoin. Right now I saw that the owner of the Mr. mm, I forget the name, by the founder of Tesla. Yeah, the founder of Tesla was telling something about Shiba Inu. So you can see their videos that he was live, and he was sharing their expectations that what could be. So if you wanna do something like you're going to buy, so you must buy those coins which are going down, which are losing their values. Like if you talk about so I will refer you that you should buy at the down price. So now how can you get it, how can you trade it? So just you need to go there and you need to go to market. This is my trades. There's no data because this is my video portfolio. I'm just gonna share you here that how you can do analytics. I'm not just going to share you my own analytics. uh, I'm just going to share you my own experiments and my own thoughts that how I earn a heavy income from this. So now let's talk about some margin account. These are margin. Also, I was here that how can we get, if we go to market, or you should work in stop limit. You must, I would refer you to work in stop limit. So when you go for sport, or there is a sport tutorial and much more. If so, here is the sport. If you wanna earn from here, I would refer you to get spot limit. Now let's see what is the price right now. So it is 0.3704. Okay, so I would like to share you the hype. So I would like to share you the stop limit, or I'll refer you the buy from limit. Buy from limit. So this is the current rate. So I would like to refer you to edit it and go to 37 or go to 4. So you can hear your amounts and much more. So when you are going to sell it, so I would refer to say you that if the current price is something, so where you can where you should buy, so where you should sell on which demand. So if you wanna share it when you go to market, and then again you come back to limit. So here you will write your market. Okay, so total amount where you wanna buy sell, so you can do it from here. So during living in a market, you can work here with these candles. You can buy from here and sell over here. So you can get minimum profit, but you will get some profits. So this chart is getting some inequality, that this is fine. I would refer you, if you wanna do something, so you should do in this. So now let's talk about some more cryptocurrencies, like as let's talk about some BTC. Yeah, now let's talk about BTC. Where is BTC? Now let you can search BTC by USDT. This is also my favorite coin. So you can see that, here we go. In my last video I told you that this is gonna down, and this is you can buy here. But if someone agreed to my analysis, so he must be in profit. If someone buy from $2064, so now let's talk about, he'll get approximately $2000 by one BTC. So these are the analytics, and you can buy from the down pattern the lowest rate, and you can sell your coin on a high. So I hope so that you would like my content. If you really like, so kindly tell me about my analytics in your comments. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.